My name is Cathy Collier. I'm the author of The Road to Independent Reading and Writing, and I'm also a 30-year veteran of education. I've been a kindergarten teacher, a reading specialist, and even worked with curriculum, but kindergarten is my favorite place to be. I know that routines exist everywhere in the world, but none are more important than the routines that exist in a kindergarten classroom. I'd like to talk to you about routines in writing specifically. Kindergartners come with very little starting knowledge sometimes, and we need to take them all the way from writing their name to writing stories, and I have routines for all of it. I'd love to share some things with you during an on-demand webinar through TCM. This webinar is completely free, and it gives you routines for back to school and back to writing.